We're going to discuss the process of working with a subcontractor who is going to do a installation for us, but it's going to be billing us periodically instead of either all in the beginning or all at the end. So we're going to create a new purchase order, and our vendor is going to be Vision, let's see, VIS. So Vision Kitchen Installers, good company. And this is their address, and we're going to say OK. So what are they going to do for us? Well, let's look for INSTALL. That's a inventory item with tracking, because if it's not a tracking item, you can't put it on a PO. So we're going to hit the enter key, and we're just going to select one, and our cost is going to be $20,000. And we'll say OK. And you can put in the date you want him to start working. OK, so this is what we're going to be ordering. And now we're going to say that I want to save and process. And we'll process now. OK, so now we get an invoice from him for $5,000 for work to date. So what we have to do is we have to do a receive edit. So we'll put his invoice number in and click OK. Now we're going to edit this line here, and we're going to say that we received one, but our cost is going to be $5,000. And the serial number is going to be the job number, the sales order number, whatever you want to use. So we're just going to say job 101. And accept that. So we received $5,000 on this job, but we still have $15,000 that has not been billed yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in, go down, and then we're going to type in install. And we're going to leave one, but this time our cost is going to be $15,000, which is the difference between the $5,000 and the $20,000. And we don't have a serial number for it yet, but we can put a job in, and it was a job 101. Accept that. Now, under this $15,000, the quantity to receive is going to be 0. So that's going to leave $15,000 left on this purchase order for future invoices from this vendor. If everything is good here, we're going to go ahead and say save. Excuse me. Yes, save and receive now. And again, that serial number that we had for that is this job, so we're going to go ahead and accept that. And complete. So now if we go into accounts payable, you'll see that we have a $5,000 payable to Vision Kitchen Installers, and the remaining $15,000 is still on the purchase order. This way, this hits all the accounting properly, all the checks book properly, and lets us know that we still got 15,000 left on the contract.